Imagine your Wix website chatting intelligently with every visitor, instantly answering questions and boosting engagement. Today, we're unlocking that power by connecting ChatGPT to your Wix chat, transforming it into an AI-powered support powerhouse. First, head over to your Wix dashboard and navigate to the App Market. In the App Market, search for an app that specifically mentions ChatGPT integration or AI chatbot capabilities for Wix Chat. Once you find a suitable app, click on it and then select the option to add it to your website. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. After installation, you'll need to access the settings for this new app. This is where the magic happens. Within the app settings, you'll be prompted to connect to your ChatGPT account. This usually involves entering an API key. To get your ChatGPT API key, you'll need to visit the OpenAI platform and generate a new key there. Make sure to copy this key securely. Now return to your Wix app settings and paste your ChatGPT API key into the designated field. Save these changes. With the connection established, your Wix chat will now leverage chat's intelligence tested out by asking common questions your customers might have. You can now configure your chatbot to handle frequently asked questions, provide instant support, and even guide users through your site, all thanks to ChatGPT. This integration automates so much of your customer service, freeing you up to focus on growing your business while offering an exceptional user experience. Hit subscribe for more Wix tips and AI integrations.